Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a quick get ready with me, and I'm starting off with the eyes. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee and I'm applying that all over my lids. Now going in with my makeup sponge, I am further blending that into my eyelid. To set that concealer into place, I'm using the LA Girl Pro setting powder and I'm just dabbing that all over my eyes. Now I'm brushing away the excess powder with a kabuki brush. Going into the LA Colors makeup palette, I'm taking that medium brown and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking that dark brown and I'll be applying that into my crease. I'll be taking the black side of that pencil and I'll be lining my water lid or waterline. Now onto the face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Prep primer and I'm priming my face before I apply foundation. Today I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation and I apply that all over my face and I am blending it out with the flat top brush. Now I'm using that same LA Girl Pro concealer in Toffee and I'm using that to highlight my face. I'm using a foundation brush to blend out that concealer since I like the way that it looks whenever I use the brush instead of the beauty blender first. So I'm blending that out with the foundation brush, then I will go in with the makeup sponge to further blend out the edges of that concealer. To set that concealer into place, I'm using the LA Girl Pro setting powder and I'm applying that to all the areas that I've applied concealer. Taking the kabuki brush to dust away all the excess powder. Since this does leave a white cast and I don't like that, I'm ensuring to dust it away properly. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder and I'm using that to balance out the rest of my face, and I'm also going over the highlighted areas of my face just to tone down the setting powder a bit. Up next I will be setting my face and I'm just misting my face with that. Back to the eyes, I'm using mascara and I'm using 2 coats of mascara on each eyes because I will not be applying lashes today. Next I'm using the LA Girl Strobe Light and I'll be strobing or highlighting my face, the high parts of my face that is. Right here I'm taking the sheer cover highlighter and I'm applying that into the tear duct area of my face, into the tear duct area of my eyes, and this is just to brighten up my eyes a little bit more. Now I'm taking a brown pencil and I am lining the outer part of my lip. I am taking a lip peeve and this is from Black Opal. It's a Black Opal color Splurge and this is called Lustre Gloss. Okay, so that's it for the face. Onto the hair. Massage it a little. Now I'll be taking my water spray and I'll be misting the roots of my hair. I'm taking this mixture of oil. It's called the True Growth Serum, and it's a mixture of castor oil and safflower oil, and I'm just using that to massage my scalp and to seal in the moisture. Taking the Eco Styler gel, and I'm applying that to my edges. I'm using the Got To Be Glued as well as my hair toothbrush, and I'm further laying my hair. I like to use the Eco Styler gel and the Got To Be Glued since they tend to hold my natural hair more. Here I'm just trying to figure out how I'd like to wear my hair for today. So I've decided to wear my hair out of my face, and what I'll be doing, I'll be twisting the hair from each side towards the back of my head, and I'll be securing that with my hair tie. Okay, so I'm pleased with the way that this looks, so I'm going to change my outfit and I'll be right back. And that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. All the products to use will be down in the description box down below, so go and check it out. Don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.